In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide modules in ERPNext. This is really useful if you want to simplify the interface for your team, reduce clutter, or make sure users only see what's relevant to their work. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change, so certain modules or document types no longer show up for specific roles. First, start by logging into your ERPNext account with an administrator or any user that has permission to manage roles and permissions. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. At the bottom of that sidebar, you'll see your user icon or name. Click on it to open the user menu. This is where you can access various account and system settings. From that user menu, look for the option labeled Role Permissions Manager and click on it. The Role Permissions Manager is the central place where you can control who can see and do what inside ERPNext. Any change you make here will affect how modules and document types appear to users with specific roles, so it's a powerful tool. When the Role Permissions Manager opens, you'll see a couple of important fields at the top. The first is where you select the doc type. A doc type in ERPNext represents a specific kind of record, such as sales order, purchase invoice, or item. Use the drop-down to choose the doc type that belongs to the module you'd like to hide or restrict. Take a moment to pick carefully, because permissions are always tied to specific doc types. Next, look for the section where roles are listed. Here you'll see different roles in your system, such as sales user, accounts user, or administrator. Select the roles that you want to control for this particular doc type. Remember, changes are role-based, so you can allow one group to see a module while hiding it from another. After you've selected the doc type and the relevant roles, you'll notice a series of checkboxes tied to different permission levels, such as read, write, create, submit. To effectively hide the module or doc type from those roles, uncheck the boxes that grant access. For example, if you uncheck the read permission for a doc type for a certain role, users with that role will no longer see that document type in their module view. Once you've unchecked the boxes you want to hide, make sure the changes are saved. After that, those modules or document types will no longer be visible to the selected roles, keeping your ERPNext workspace clean, focused, and secure.